Now, I don't know about you, but I love a good chart and a good graph. In fact, we're looking at math software here, so probably quite a lot of us like good charts and graphs, and you're in luck. I'm going to show you the skills wheel in Magma. When I tap onto my assignment, I get the heat map that we're all used to at this stage, but I can also tap onto stats wheel at the top. And this is going to bring up a new interface. Straight away, we're going to see this lovely pie chart, and the colours will give away pretty much immediately what we're looking at here. Sections that are green are sections that your class are really confident with, red ones perhaps not so confident with. And we can drill down in this because in the centre of that pie chart are the different areas that this assignment's been covering, and then more specific breakdowns around the outside. So while the class might generally be struggling with fractions, some of the areas on the bottom here are green. That means that that particular thing is pretty well understood. I can tap onto any area of this pie chart to see exactly what topic it is and how many students are getting it correct. And I can use the right-hand side to drill down into the data as well. This immediately gives me a whole class overview of areas that perhaps I want to focus on, particularly after an end-of-unit assessment. In fact, I would say that's the best time to use the stats wheel. Not for one particular topic in one particular lesson, but actually for something a bit more like an end-of-term or end-of-unit assessment, where you can see multiple different areas and objectives being covered. And we can actually toggle between the whole class and a single student or groups of students at the top here. And this is great because it means I can see how my yellow intervention group are getting on compared to the blue intervention group. And we can go into individual students as well, like Callum here, to get a pie chart just for that particular pupil. And this individual student wheel is also a great conversation starter with your pupils. Together you can then make a plan perhaps if you need to do some revision, or perhaps some smaller intervention working groups in the class. So that's the stats wheel in Magma. Do dig in and have a play, explore, and I think you'll agree it's a really useful tool.